Learn how to efficiently create and manage clubs in Octobrain with these detailed instructions. From setting up club details to inviting members, this guide will walk you through each step seamlessly. Explore the Clubs tab to browse or create a club. You can filter clubs based on location or interests. You can search for clubs based on location. Select the location. Confirm the location. Choose a different location. Continue to the next step. Filter clubs by tags. Continue to the next step. Continue to the next step. Now let's move on to creating a club for Octobrain Academy. Upload club logo. Upload club cover photo or banner. Enter the club name. Enter the club name. Enter a motto for the club. Enter the club motto. Select the club activity interest or tags that aligns with the club. You can search and select club interests or categories from drop-down. Select the tag Science. Enter another tag for the club. Select the tag Technology. Enter another tag for the club. Select the tags your club aligns with. Let's provide a description about the club. Enter the club description. Proceed to the next step. Provide club rules now. Set resource usage guidelines. Let's move on to Club Resources section. Here, you can upload and manage materials to support your club members effectively. Start by providing a clear and engaging title for your resource, followed by a concise description to highlight its purpose. Enter the resource title. Enter a description for the club resource. Once ready, upload your file, whether it's a guide, presentation, or toolkit, and make it available for your club members to explore. Empower your club with the resources they need to thrive. Upload the club resource. Select the resource to upload. Great job! Your club creation is now complete. Next, we'll take a look at how to view your club and explore the tools available to manage it effectively. Let's dive in and bring your club to life. Explore workshops. View club events. Explore club competitions. Access club resources. View club members. Let's see. Navigate to the Members tab in your club dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all members currently in your club. Review the list of pending join requests. Click Accept to approve a request or decline to reject it. Edit club details. Access club resources. Add a new club resource. Enter the title of the resource. Enter the description of the resource. Proceed to the next step. Invite new members to the club. Manage club members. View member details. In the members list, click on the role to change member roles. You can change user to a moderator. Here you see the member has been promoted to a moderator. Assign a moderator role. Assign a member role. Proceed to the next step. Update the club cover image. Cancel the current action. Access club information. Update club details. Navigate back to the club page. Share your thoughts with the club. Enter your thoughts or comments. Share a welcome message. Add an image. Upload the image. Select the image to upload. Post the image. Explore club activities. View details. Navigate to page 1. Add a comment. Enter a comment. Post the comment. This guide covers everything from exploring clubs to creating, managing, and customizing them in Octobrain. Master the art of club management with these engaging instructions.